Want to turn off parental controls on Google Play Store? Let me walk you through it. If you're using iOS, go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the screen time. Scroll a little bit down to the content and privacy restrictions and make sure that you toggle this one off, right? That's one way to do it. Another way of doing it, you can go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser, and then basically, if you're using Android, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, click the three horizontal lines at the top left, and then move along, and then you're going to be able to scroll a little bit down and find the settings, and then you're going to see in the user controls, you're going to see under parental controls, click on it, and make sure that you shut this one down, right? The parental controls are on. Make sure that you shut it down. If you just want to remove restrictions on one category, tap that category instead, and then select the desired rating, and then tap save. And then basically, enter your 4-digit PIN and then tap OK. Use the same PIN you used to set up parental controls on Android. Once your PIN is accepted, all Play Store downloads will be permitted. So let me know in the comments with this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.